The importance of nutrition after 50.
Eating well becomes even more crucial as we age. After 50, our bodies need fewer calories, but more of certain nutrients. The right foods can help maintain energy, preserve muscle, boost immunity, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. Prioritizing balanced nutrition supports overall health and quality of life as you age.
Protein, building and repairing muscles.
Protein supports muscle health and helps prevent age-related muscle loss. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, dairy, and soy products. Including protein in every meal helps maintain strength and mobility. Try to choose low-fat options and vary your protein sources to benefit from different nutrients.
Fruits and vegetables, antioxidants and fiber.
A colorful variety of fruits and vegetables offers antioxidants and fiber. These nutrients combat inflammation, protect cells from damage, and aid digestion. Aim for at least 5 servings a day, choosing options like berries, leafy greens, carrots, and tomatoes. Fresh, frozen, or canned, without added sugar or salt, are all nutritious choices.
Healthy fats, supporting heart and brain.
Healthy fats play a key role in heart and brain health. Focus on sources like olive oil, avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fats, especially omega-3s, help manage cholesterol, support brain function, and reduce inflammation. Limit saturated and trans fats found in processed and fried foods.
Calcium and vitamin D bone health.
Strong bones depend on calcium and vitamin D as we age. Dairy products, fortified plant-based milks, leafy greens, and small fish with bones are excellent sources of calcium. Vitamin D can come from sunlight, fortified foods, or supplements if needed. Together, they help prevent osteoporosis and maintain bone strength.
Key habits for healthy aging.
Beyond food choices, certain habits boost healthy aging. Stay hydrated by drinking water throughout the day. Get regular physical activity, such as walking or swimming, to maintain mobility and heart health. Prioritize sleep, manage stress, and enjoy meals with family or friends. Consistency in these habits alongside a balanced diet makes a powerful difference.